Hello, welcome back for lesson number 19. I put a title called Diamond. This is the outer shape of the Superman logo. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the file that we have previously created and continue with the lesson. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have roughed out the top portion of the Superman logo. So we need to do a circumference cut so that we can put a smaller diameter tool into the deeper section of this Superman logo. So what we do is that we hide the previous operation, start with the profile, click profile and then OK. We're going to use back the same profile on the previous exercise. We're going to manage by changing the tool diameter. It's going to be a diameter 3. I put a 0 and 3, continue with the tool number 2, and then we click OK. Follow with that, we do not need to calculate, we straight away have to set the parameter. So first thing is that we need to edit and then set the G54. Continue with the RPM, I just put higher. And we need to set back the same top and bottom location for the roughing operation that we did on the previous lesson. I'm going to put the same thickness, side thickness 1, bottom thickness as 1. Mainly is to clean up the corner area whereby the diameter 10 is too big and then now is diameter 3 so that we can reduce the corner radius smaller so that the next operation can be carried on. The depth of cut is going to be 2 because diameter is 3 because we going to meet the intersection area is going to be a lot of material, so I do 2 passes so that easier for the tool to manage. We put a 3 for the engage as well as a retract so that easier for the tool to perform the corner, or we call circular engage and circular exit. Change the color to brown, calculate. Yeah, you can see the toolpath is generated. We want to do a verified, set the G54, can see that the first pass is going to be Z-2, the second one is Z-4. After that, we can click OK and perform a solid verify. You can see that the shape is much more better compared to the previous lesson, which is a lot of corner is rounded. Now this is much more better. We continue with the visual so that you can see that each corner of the diamond shape is much more smoother. We will save this file and continue with the step by step how to perform this task. Let me switch the screen.
Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. So first we're going to double click to hide the zigzag operation and collapse it. We will continue with profile. Select the same profile that we did on the last operation. We click OK. We need to manage by choosing a new tool, which is diameter 3, flat end mill. Okay, I can put a 0 over here, and this is 3. We will put tool number 2, auto fill up, and we click OK. With that, we don't want to calculate because there's a parameter we need to set, the G54. The RPM is gonna be 1002. The top area is gonna be the top. Bottom is the face of the Superman logo. We need to set the thickness for the side thickness and the bottom thickness. The depth of cut is 2. We do not need anything on here, so we continue with 3 and 3 on the engage as well as the retract. So display, I choose a brown color and we can do a calculate. Seems like this is what I want. We can do a verify by changing the G54 and let us see the cut path. Correct is Z-2 for the first cut. Let me continue with the second one. Let it go around. See the depth of Z-4. So we plunge in again for Z-4. So seems correct. So let me click this one We click OK, perform solid verified, so to ensure that everything is okay. So if you want to see better, we can reduce the speed to 70%, and then we can take a look on the previous operation as well as this cleanup for this profile operation. Everything looks good. Let us go and do the analysis. We do a flip everything to our expectation, so we can continue by saving the file for the next lesson. Thank you for watching. We will continue the detail of the Superman part on the next lesson. Bye bye.